What's up guys? In today's video, I will show you how to create a Google Password Manager pin. This feature lets you quickly sign in to supported websites using your device pin instead of typing your saved passwords every time. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Passwords and Autofill followed by Google Password Manager. You can also access it by clicking your profile picture and choosing Passwords and Autofill. Next, click Settings. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys is turned on. Also, enable automatically create a passkey to sign in faster if it is available. Now, open a website that supports passkey, such as Instagram, and begin the sign-in process. If your computer doesn't already have a PIN setup, Windows will prompt you to create one. To create a PIN manually, open Windows Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign In Options, and select PIN Windows Hello. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your PIN. Once your PIN is set up, return to the website and continue signing in. The next time you log in, Google Password Manager can use your PIN to securely autofill your credentials, making the sign-in process much faster. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Google Password Manager PIN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.